We are talking about slope and writing and graphing linear functions, and we want to solve for the slope of a line that is parallel to the given line. So what does parallel mean? Parallel means same slope. Okay. Solve for the slope of a line that is parallel to the given slope. So it just wants us to figure out the slope. So in this case, we just want to write this in y equals mx plus b form, because when we solve it for y equals mx plus b, we know that m is our slope. So we can subtract 7x from both sides, and then we get y equals negative 7x minus 2. And in this case, if it's parallel, then our slope is equal to m, which is equal to negative 7. This example over here, same idea. We want to subtract 2x to get y by itself. And then we get 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 9. And then we can divide by 3. And then we get y is equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 3. Got another example underneath where we want to solve for the slope of a line that is perpendicular to the given line. And anytime we're saying perpendicular, we think a swear word. We're thinking flip and change. Stupid perpendicular, flip and change. So perpendicular means flip and change. All right, so first we have to find the slope. So we want to get y equals by itself. So we want to get y alone. So here we subtract 3x, and we get y is equal to negative 3x plus 1. Anytime that we have a number written like this, it's understood that it is being divided by 1. So the negative 3 is there, but it is understood that we are dividing by 1. So I'm going to put this dashed 1 underneath. Now, so when we take the reciprocal, or when we flip in, what that means is the 1 goes up to the numerator and the 3 goes down to the denominator. So that was the flip in part. And then to change, that means we need to go from a negative to a positive. So I'm not going to put the positive, because if there's not one there, then that means that it is positive. And that means that is the perpendicular slope. And whenever we say perpendicular, we mean flip and change. Okay, and then we have another example here. We want to get y by itself, so we subtract x, and then we get 5y is equal to minus 5, and we divide by 5, and then we get y equals negative 1 over 5x, 5 divided by 5 minus 1. So we're still looking for flip and change perpendicular, the swear word. And so all we have to do is flip the fraction. So instead of 1 over 5, we're going to have 5 over that understood 1. And it is negative, so we're going to change it to positive. So that's what we did. And so another way that we can write this is just 5 is equal to m.